What if DJI's next lightweight drone is already flying in secret, and we just got our first real glimpse of it? Because new field testing footage has surfaced, and the drone community is already split. Some think it's the next DJI Avata evolution, others believe it belongs to the Neo lineup. But based on design clues and testing behavior, the strongest theory right now points toward the upcoming DJI Neo 3. And if that's true, this could be one of DJI's most important lightweight drone upgrades yet. Let's break down what we're actually seeing. The leak comes from known drone tester Igor Bogdanov, who shared footage of a DJI prototype flying in real outdoor test conditions. This isn't casual flying, it's structured engineering testing. You can see a full setup, engineers with laptops connected to portable power stations, constantly collecting flight data. That tells us this isn't early concept work anymore. This is refinement. Every flight is feeding data back into the system: stability, propulsion efficiency, battery behavior, and control response. DJI is clearly deep in the tuning phase, which means the design is already close to final. Now the design itself is where things get interesting. The prototype shows a compact, symmetrical frame with protective propeller guards, very consistent with DJI's lightweight, Neo-style philosophy. It's built for safety, simplicity, and everyday flying, not aggressive FPV stunts. That instantly separates it from the DJI Avata 2 lineup, which is designed for fast, cinematic, high-speed motion. This prototype feels different. It looks like something you could launch from your palm, use for quick selfies, or capture simple aerial shots without any learning curve. And that's the key. It's not trying to be a pro drone. It's trying to be an everyday drone. Another major clue comes from DJI's release pattern. The original Neo launched in 2024, and the Neo 2 followed quickly after in 2025. That fast cycle strongly suggests that a Neo 3 entering development in early 2026 is completely realistic. And now, in current testing footage, we're likely seeing that exact stage, real-world data collection before final production. One of the biggest focuses appears to be weight. The previous generation faced criticism for creeping above the ultralight category, which impacted portability and convenience. This new prototype seems to directly address that, with engineers working to reduce weight while keeping sensors and stability intact. That balance is critical, because this category lives or dies on one thing: how easy it is to carry and fly instantly. Compared to the Avata-style drones, this prototype lacks aggressive aerodynamics or racing-focused design. Instead, everything points towards smooth, stable, beginner-friendly flight. That's why most signs suggest this is not part of the Avata family at all. Instead, it fits perfectly into DJI's lightweight consumer ecosystem. If the timeline holds, continued testing through 2026 could lead to a late-year launch. And if this really is the DJI Neo 3, it could become one of the most accessible drones DJI has ever made. Not the fastest, not the most advanced, but possibly the easiest and most practical. A drone built for everyday users, casual creators, and anyone who just wants to capture the world from above without thinking about it. And sometimes, that's the product that changes everything. So the real question is, if this is the Neo 3, would you pick it up as your everyday drone, or wait for something more powerful?